Many people have suffered injuries due to incidents that some may feel that they can't be compensated for. However, this lawyer team here has worked with clients for over 45 years who have suffered serious injuries in order to help them get justice that they deserve. Joining me to talk a little bit more on this are Marshall Kaufman and Kara Stigger of Kaufman and Stigger. And I feel like I know you guys because I've seen all the commercials, so it's cool to have you in here just to get to know who you all are. You know, I don't know if many people know the background of what led to why you love law so much and why you wanted to get into this field.
Well, it began for me, I guess in high school. My family, we had a farm, and as many farmers experience, we had some legal problems and, you know, the floods, and you couldn't pay your bills and so forth. So my parents fought those battles for years, and I kind of got interested in law following them, and went to school to be a paralegal, and then just decided, well, I think I'll see if I could do it too. So it's been my passion to help people, and that's how it started for me. And years later, that's our goal, is to help people.
And Marshall, what about you?
Well, when I was growing up, my father was a lawyer, or went to law school, but decided not to practice law, went into the construction business. And my mother never had the opportunity. She was from Hazard, Kentucky, and never had the opportunity to financially to go to college. And she always wanted me to be a lawyer since my dad never practiced. So she kind of was the push behind me to go to law school. And then fortunately after that, I kind of gave my sons a little bit of nudge, and now two of my sons work with us. So it's been a great life for us. And you know, what we enjoy the most is helping people. And I've always kind of looked out for the underdog or whatever, and I want to help people when other people are taking advantage of them. And that's what happens a lot of times when they deal with insurance companies.
And what are the specific areas of practice that you all decided this is where we are a powerhouse and this is where we can really truly impact people?
We focus only on personal injury cases, automobile accidents, truck accidents, slip and falls, dog bites, you know, some medical issues, those type of things, where people have been hurt by someone else.
A lot of them out there, and they feel like they have nobody to talk to, or no way to get somehow compensation for that, or just somebody to acknowledge, hey, I'm sorry. Like in many cases, don't you feel people just like, I just want to be acknowledged. I just want somebody to say I'm sorry in some way. Well, you mentioned that your family, a lot of your family members work for you now too, right?
Yes, my sons Matt and Jimmy both went to law school and have worked with us. They worked in the law firm when they were in high school. They worked there in college, and they worked with us during law school. And you know, now they're attorneys handling their own cases, and it's kind of fun to see how they both operate. And they've learned a lot from Kara and a little bit from me. So they're doing great.
And we know your mom's a big part of the process, right?
Oh, yeah.
See her in all the commercials. How's she doing?
She's doing great.
Good. Let her know I asked.
I will.
Okay.
She just had her 97th birthday, so she won't be happy with me for sharing that.
Oh, precious little
Oh, and there's my grandbaby.
Oh,
yes.
Look at that. Who knows? Maybe working for the firm down the road, right? Maybe taking it on from there, definitely. Well, what advice would you have for people that are thinking about going into this profession?
Gosh, you have to be prepared to come in and have a different experience every day that you go to work. It's not a job where you can show up and do the same thing, and you deal with all kinds of personalities, not only with your clients, but with your judges, your opposing attorneys. It's a different experience. So you have to not only be smart and well-read and willing to you know, go into court and fight the battles, but you have to be flexible in dealing with people as well, and dealing with a different experience every day you go to work.
A lot of qualities there, right? All right, thank you all both for stopping by. I appreciate it so much. For more information, if you want to contact the team, just go over to Get the Tiger. God, I've been waiting to say that. GetTheTiger.com. We're coming right back with more Great Day Live. Stay with us.